Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious tomato and corn salad recipe with these beautiful veggies that I picked up at my local farmer's market. Let's start making our salad by husking our corn. We also want to make sure we take off as much of the corn silk as possible. Then we just need to cut the corn kernels off of the cob. You can save the cobs to make corn stock later if you want to. The only cooking that we need to do in this recipe is caramelizing the corn. This is going to be for our corn vinaigrette. We want to start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, add our corn kernels, then season with some fresh cracked black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of sugar. Stir the corn until it has a nice golden caramel color to it, then we just need to take it out of the pan and let it cool down. On to the salad. This green is called Frise. When you're picking this out at the market, you want a head that's not wilted and more on the yellow light green side than the dark green side. On the ends of the leaves there's usually some brown and yellow spots. Don't worry, we're going to trim this off. For this salad, we just need half a head of Frise. I cut it on an angle to get rid of the stemmy part of the Frise because that's where most of the bitterness is. And now for one of the stars of summer, heirloom tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes are grown from seeds that haven't been genetically modified. Instead, farmers pick the best tomatoes from the season and keep the seeds for the following season. They haven't been selectively crossbred or pollinated. They let nature take care of it naturally with birds, bees, bugs, and even the wind. That's why there are all different shapes, sizes, and colors of heirloom tomatoes, unlike the perfectly round red tomatoes that we so often see in the markets. All we need to do with these tomatoes is cut them in half and cut out the core, and then I cut one tomato into smaller pieces and one into bigger slices. Even though this heirloom tomato looks like it's green and unripe, it's perfectly ripe. Then we just need to cut our cherry tomatoes in half. Now we just need to cut our radish into thin slices. Peel and dice your avocado. Cut our chives into 1-inch pieces. Then we need to pick our mint, basil, and parsley leaves and then tear it by hand. I like tearing the herbs for the salad because when you eat it, you get bursts of herbs that make each bite a little bit different. Chop 1 clove of garlic really fine. Finally dice half a shallot and thin slice the other half. Now let's make our caramelized corn vinaigrette by adding our garlic and shallots to a bowl, our caramelized corn, add in our fresh cracked black pepper, then our extra virgin olive oil, and red wine vinegar. Season it with salt, and then we're also going to add in about 1/4 of our herbs and then mix everything together. Sorry everyone, my camera went out of focus here. You just need to add everything to a big mixing bowl, the tomatoes, radishes, avocado, shallots, Frise, herbs, and all of the corn vinaigrette. Then just mix everything together and adjust the seasoning if necessary. This is one of my favorite summer salads. It's just summer on a plate. It has crunchiness from the corn and the radishes, it has creaminess from the avocados, and heirloom tomatoes are great no matter what you do with them. Thanks for watching my video on how to make this summer tomato and corn salad recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your summer salad favorite is. See you next time.